counties across Indiana are preparing for a change in their court systems. Criminal Rule 26 will allow some residents the opportunity to wait for their upcoming trial at home rather than sit in jail. Taylor Williams sat down with some local judges to hear their take on the rule. She joins us now with our top story. Taylor.
Thanks, Sadie. Criminal Rule 26 won't go into effect for a couple of months, but that hasn't stopped the Vigo County court system for preparing for the change. Some people facing criminal charges wait for their trial date outside of court if they have bail money. Now, instead of setting money bail amounts, judges could use a risk assessment method to decide whether defendants should be held in jail or, more likely, simply be allowed to go home on the promise they would return for their next court date. The risk assessment would apply to trial court judges in their criminal cases to improve pre-trial practices using evidence-based and risk assessments. Factors that judges would take into account while using the new assessment would include criminal and drug history, education, and how long you've lived in the community.
We use those kind of formulas every day. Insurance companies use risk assessments every day, so it's not new, it's not foreign. It's just an application of that same principle to the pretrial release decision.
And Criminal Rule 26 doesn't require release, it requires the courts to engage in this risk assessment in determining release.
Exactly.
Here in Vigo County, the courts are getting ready for the change. Vigo County has been working for more than a year to get ready for the start date on January 1st of 2020. The new rule was enacted by the Indiana Supreme Court back in 2016. Since then, 11 pilot counties have been testing the rule, but soon all 92 counties will be using Criminal Rule 26. So far, pilot counties have found success with the new rule.
For example, Monroe County, in some of their data collection, has determined that they're hitting anywhere from 80 to 90% success in their release decisions, and what that means is 80 to 90% of the people they're letting out are not committing new crimes, and they are showing up for court.
With low-risk inmates who have been accused but not convicted of a crime out of jail before their trials, this could lead to less overcrowding. However, judges warn that the numbers will not be extensive.
As all of those tools that you use, you're going to cut back on the number of people that are coming back. You're going to start to see that number come down. That's the goal.
Part of the process is setting up the new electronic system. Defendants will be asked to give their email and cell phone numbers so they can receive notifications before their hearings and court dates. The county has also applied for funding to increase pretrial and probation officers, and as well as more public defenders.
Thank you, Taylor. The Vigo County courts hope to transition the new system by October 1st. All Indiana courts must transition over before the new law goes into effect January of 2020.